What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to A La Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And today we're making some burgers, but we're gonna be doing them a little bit differently. Today we're gonna be smoking our burgers, so we're not gonna have any direct flame on these bad boys, and trust me, they're gonna be smoky and delicious. So let's get cooking. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna take our patties. So we're gonna take a pound of beef and we're gonna divide it into 3 equal patties, and that's how we're gonna get this started. Make sure that you season your beef patties. I like a little salt and pepper, so it's a good way to go. And we're also gonna smoke some onions because we're already smoking these burgers, so I mean, why not try something a little bit different? So we're gonna take our onions, we're gonna slice them, and then we're gonna take those and toss them in the smoker along with our beef patties. Okay, so the sun's a little bright, so it's a little tough to see, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna set our smoker to about 225, and then it should take about 45 minutes to an hour for these bad boys to cook. Okay, so we're gonna take them and we're gonna toss them in our smoker here. We got the water going, got the heat on. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our chips. I'm using maple. You can also use hickory or mesquite. They're always a good way to go.
1 hour later.
Okay, so now that our burgers have reached an internal temperature of 135, or however you like your meat patties cooked, they are good to go. And look at those gorgeous patties, just been smoking away, looking nice and juicy, ready to go. All right, check this one. Yep, this one is it's a little overcooked, but you know, it'll still be good. All right, now I like some pickles with my burger, like that nice little tang of the dill pickle, so we'll slice up some pickles. Take our bun, you can toast it if you like. We'll add some nice mustard to it, add our pickles, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, perfect. And then we will add our patty. I added a little provolone right at the end, so it was a nice smoked provolone cheese that kind of melted up in the smoker at the very end. And then we'll top with some onion, a little lettuce, not a necessary bit, but if you want, you can go ahead. We'll put our burger there, and there you go. Look at that juicy patty, ready to eat, ready to dive in. All right, now comes the true test. Let's dive into this bad boy. Oh yeah. Is so good. It's juicy, it's got a little smokiness to it, cooked perfectly. Oh, it's so good. It's got a nice little crunch from the lettuce, and the onions have not caramelized, but they've cooked down a little bit, so you're not getting that hit of raw onion. Oh, it's delicious. Oh my gosh. This is so good. You guys have to try it. And it was so easy. Like, just look how quick we were able to make this patty. Yeah, you had to cook it in the smoker for a little bit, but literally we just prepped it, put it in, and let it go. That's how easy this is. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button so you're never missing out a video that I'm coming out with next. And make sure that you guys are staying full and staying healthy. Bye, guys.